Peter, I'm following you already for quite a long time, but some people still might not know you. Just give us a short introduction.
So I've been in the audio game for probably 25 years at least. It all started as a hobby, like for most of us. But I knew that this passion was so strong that I had to do something with it. After my studies, I became a live sound engineer, and I did that for 12 years. But car audio was always a stronger passion, and I wanted to take it to another level, so I started my own business. And most people would know me as Peter from PS Sound. And on social channels, people have seen how much importance I had on installation, on tuning. And these are the key points that thousands of people globally really have to learn more about, because you have amazing, very innovative equipment and you never stop. You always develop something crazier, but people have to know how to use it. That's where I also knew that something would have to be changed. And I started traveling the world with my wife 3 years ago, and we had now classes all over the world. But now it's going to be amazing to have the support, have the team, and take things to another level.
Yeah, this was always for us a big challenge to bring all the knowledge, the techniques, the technologies to the different markets. So when I was following you through the last years and saw your development through your channels, what you created there, and for sure, every time I looked into your new videos, I saw there are new techniques, new steps to bring sound quality and car audio always a step further. So for me, it was instantly the came to my mind that you would be the right fit to our team, because you bring everything with you what we need to bring the Audiotec Fischer innovation and technology to the international markets.
Equally for me, it's been hard work to figure the magic out.
Yeah.
And that real world knowledge now has to be transferred to more and more people. I tried my best, and we've had great success. But now, having your team and reaching out to all these international partners is going to be amazing, because we can really change the future of car audio.
And I think there are so many markets who really need these real world trainings, experience and knowledge transfer, because as we are distributing our products in 67 countries, for us it's nearly impossible to have a good connection to every market and to train every market properly. But most of the markets are still not really that advanced in all the techniques and concepts. So I think the experience you got already with your master classes and the way you are training things to make the really complex topics understandable is a really great advantage. But when did you start with all the master classes, and how did it start? So there was a point, I think, for you where you thought, I need to bring my knowledge to the industry.
It was even a struggle for me, because I came from live sound engineering. And when I wanted to take car audio to another level, I quickly realized that it's not so simple. Not so simple to achieve lifelike music experience. I knew that installation is number one. People have to learn how to install correctly. But even if they do that, they still struggle with the tuning part. It also took me years to figure out how to be able to tune consistently. Then it was very clear that in order to gain trust of other people, then you have to show first what you're capable of. That's where I entered the scene in the competition, and first I became national champion, then several times international champion. So after I joined the competition scene and people realized what I'm capable of, I gained so much trust internationally through the social channels And I also saw how many people struggle globally. I knew that I gotta do something. I've never been the person to hide secrets, keep the knowledge just for myself, because that would never take the industry any further. So first, it kicked off in Australia in 2022, when a good client of mine needed help, and he did the best he could, but at the end, we knew that I would really have to go down there and make a transformation. And a year later, I ended up over there, and I thought, you know what, I can teach guys. And I was confident because by then I have competed for years, and we also built hundreds of cars for clients, and the reaction was always the same. It's very clear that real-world knowledge is the game changer. You have very innovative products and you never stop. You always develop something new to make people's life easier, how we can achieve excellent results, but they have to know how to deliver that. So that's where I'm really looking forward to now seeing all the partners globally. Of course, it's going to be a big extensive plan how we can achieve that, but I can see that in the upcoming years we will really change the game.
And I think this is the biggest difference here, is that you're not coming from the standard international sales education side, but from a shop owner standpoint. So you know how to work with the products, you know our product portfolio extremely well, and you know all the challenges in your daily work, how to really achieve a great sounding system, how you achieve the goals you want to deliver to your customers. And I think this will be the biggest key in your new position here in our team, because it's not just about sales, it's about bringing knowledge and the real experience into the markets and changing the game, because car audio has changed a lot in the last years. We are seeing more and more complex installations. We're seeing more and more complex products and technologies. So training, I think, is the most important factor for the future of car audio.
Absolutely. It's very, very obvious that people need real-world knowledge. Social media has helped a lot how to spread information, but at the same time, there's a lot of misinformation. That's where we need key members who can really teach people how to deliver trustable, solid results. We also know that cars are getting more complex. That's where Audiotec Fischer products really make a big difference, because you focus on how to deliver an amazing product that makes shop owners and users' life much easier, but there's a missing link, the knowledge. And there's only so much we can do online, and we will do our best to do that part as well. But on-site training will be the next level.
Yeah, and I think this is one of the most important parts. We built this competence center where we are right now in here to really train and educate people. But this is not a job you can do in a small team. We need to extend our team and for sure bring as much training experience in here as possible. And I think that will be a fun time in the next year, because we will need to host hundreds of trainings here as well as internationally wise.
For me, it's exciting to see users' faces when they finally get that recipe that really opens up the full potential. I learned that they really have to learn to make the mistakes first. Everybody has to make the mistakes first to learn from that. Then they will know how to not to make those mistakes in the future. And at the end, they will have such a more relaxed life when they will be able to deliver amazing results in such a quick and efficient, consistent way.
I'm really looking forward to see all the faces from our distributors and dealers, to experience the new way of tuning, what's possible in modern cars, and how to really achieve the most high-end sound quality cars.
And that's the crazy thing. This is now 2026, what's going to happen in a few years' time.